Hello, here we're going to be graphing using slope and y-intercept, and we have to graph f of x equals to negative 2/3 x. So to begin graphing this line, we have to find y-intercept first, and it's always happening at x is equal to 0. So if we plug in 0 into this original equation, the negative 2/3 times 0 will give us 0 as a result. Or another way of looking at this is that we can always add 0 and preserve our equation. So this is our b. b is equal to 0. So either way, we should be able to calculate y-intercept that happens at 0, 0. So this is our starting point, 0, 0, where x and y axes intersect. From there, we take a look at the slope, which is the change in y out of the change in x. X tells us how many steps we go to the right. The numerator tells us how many steps we go up or down depending on the sign of the fraction. So in this equation, slope is negative 2 out of 3. This means that from y-intercept we go 3 steps to the right, and since the fraction is negative, we will go 2 steps down from there. So from 0, 0 we go 3 units to the right. So we have 1, 2, 3. So our turning point is at x is 3, y is 0. From there, we go 2 units down. So 1, 2. This is our second point, which is at x is 3, y is negative 2. Once we have those 2 points, we connect a line through them. To check, we pick a point that is on the line. So let's see, when x is 6, y is negative 4. This looks like it's going to give us whole numbers. So 6, negative 4. And let's see if we substitute x equals to 6 into original equation, whether or not we get negative 4 as the answer. So the original function is f of x equals to negative 2 out of 3x. So let's calculate f of 6. This gives us negative 2 out of 3 times 6 instead of x. 6 is out of 1. We can reduce denominator by 3 and numerator by 3. So 3 and 3 will cancel in denominator. 3 goes into 6 2 times in numerator. So f of 6 is equal to negative 2 times 2. So f of 6 is equal to negative 4. This checks out. So this line is the solution for f of x is equal to negative 2/3 of x. That's all.